In the past, before the white people came, we were not Christians. Today, we are Christians, and I'm proud to be a Christian. But in the past, we were not Christians. We were worshiping the gods that are known to us. Okay, some of these gods are not known, but we worship them. Amadioha, for example, is common with the Igbo people as a revered god among the Igbo people. Some say god of thunder. Now, I want to bring to your notice, do you know the main shrine of Amadioha? The main shrine of Amadioha, the Igbo god of thunder and lightning, is located in Ozuzu. Do you know where is Ozuzu? Ozuzu is in Etche, local government area of River State. Etche, local government area of River State. Etche, for example, they claim the same ancestors with Ikwere and Oba. These are also people who had this problem, agree they are Igbo. Some of them too do not agree they are Igbo, just like Ikwere. Now, the main shrine of Amadioha, the god of thunder in Igbo land, is located in Ozuzu, in Etche, local government area of River State, current day River State. And this shrine is considered to be the principal site for Amadioha worship. Now, if the main shrine of Amadioha is in Etche, and Etche of today, some of them are saying this and that, Etche in River State. Some of them claim Akalaka is the ancestors, and most of them. But to say Akalaka is from Benin, that is a misnomer.